How Apple Maps Finally Beat Google, 2026 edition.
Remember 2012? Apple Maps was a disaster. It was the app that literally told people to drive into the ocean. It was so bad, Tim Cook had to apologize publicly. Most of us downloaded Google Maps and never looked back. But fast forward to 2026, something happened. The underdog didn't just catch up, it started winning. Today, we're breaking down why Apple Maps is officially getting better every year, and why 2026 is the year it finally stepped out of Google's shadow. The first reason is data ownership. For years, Apple licensed data from others, but then they spent billions driving millions of miles themselves. By 2026, their detailed city experience isn't just a map, it's a digital twin of the world. Look at these 3D landmarks. In 2026, Apple added incredible lane-level detail. It doesn't just say turn right, it shows you exactly which lane you need to be in, the crosswalks, and even the height of the curbs. It's iterative. Every year, the AI gets better at learning your specific habits, like that scenic route you take on Fridays just to clear your head. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. This is where Apple Maps is finally pulling ahead. Google's business is data. They want to know where you are to sell you things. But in 2026, Apple's on-device intelligence means your frequent locations and search history stay on your phone. Apple uses something called fuzzing. They don't even know it's you searching for that coffee shop. In an era where digital privacy is a luxury, Apple Maps has made it a standard feature. What did Apple get right this year? 2 words, humanity and hardware. Instead of turn right in 200 feet, Siri now says, go past this stoplight and turn right at the yellow building. It's how a human talks. The ecosystem. If you're driving an EV, Apple Maps now talks directly to your car's battery. It knows your real-time range and suggests chargers that are actually available and working. The design. Google Maps has become a bit cluttered. Ads, buttons, explore tabs. Apple Maps in 2026 remains a minimalist masterpiece. It stays out of your way until you need it. Is Google Maps still great? Of course. It has a massive database of reviews. But for the daily commute, for privacy, and for sheer beauty, Apple Maps has won the long game. The 2012 punchline is now the 2026 gold standard. But I want to hear from you. Are you still a Google Maps loyalist, or have you made the switch? Drop a comment below. I'm curious to see what's on your home screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. And I'll see you in the next one.